Hello everyone, today is my first video recording on my new camera. Sorry, this camera is actually pretty old now. It's like probably a few months old, but I hadn't gotten a chance to record with it till now. In today's video, I will be fixing my phone camera because my phone camera broke. Let me go get it real quick. So, I actually have my camera here. If you guys can see, that camera is so broken. The top one, bottom one looks actually fine. So, I got this here on Amazon. I'll probably put the link something in the description. But here's what it comes with. It comes with an instruction manual and some tools. Let me switch the camera so you guys can see. There you go. Let me get a light so I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, now you guys can't see anything. It's fine. I don't need the light. Okay, that works slightly. Can I zoom in? Okay, so here I have the camera. I'm pretty sure the first thing I need to do is remove all the old parts, but let's read this. Use a heat or hair dryer to heat the glass and adhesive. Okay, let me go get a hair dryer. I don't have a hair dryer or heat. How about we just skip that step? Yeah, I don't have anything hot near me. Okay. Use a repair knife and tweezers. I'm guessing that's this. Guys, I'm gonna be a surgeon, so, well, I want to be a surgeon. So, let's see how well my skills are working. What hand do I hold this with? Which way does it go? I'm not really sure if I hold the scalpel in one hand. It's not a scalpel, the knife in one hand, and the tweezers in the other hand. Does it really matter? I'll just put it there for now. Use a repair knife and tweezer to remove the broken glass. Okay. My eyes are a little bit watery right now, but I'm gonna try to remove all that glass. I might actually have to get this back. Yeah, sorry guys. I know you guys can't see very well, but... Oh! Okay, it broke. That's fine. It's all fine. How do I fix it? I actually never used these type of knives before. Okay, there you go. I fixed it. Okay, that worked pretty well. I'm just gonna peel off the rest here. That hasn't come off fully. Okay, I did it. Clean the old glue by using the repair knife carefully. Okay, so I'm just gonna trace. The next step says to clean the old glue by using the repair knife. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly. Oh frick, my camera has low battery. I may have to charge you guys first before I can use this again. Why does my camera never have battery? Okay guys, I charged my camera. We are back in business. So I finished doing step 3. Step 4 is to use the brush to clean the dust and the broken glass. Okay, where's the brush? Here's the brush. Okay. Okay, I did that. There's like little hair here sticking out. Let me just get that. Now, turn the camera and phone to test that the camera works normally. Let's see here. You guys can see the camera works normally, so that step is completed. The camera lens glass with pre-installed adhesive. It doesn't say what to do with it though. The camera lens glass with pre-installed adhesive. So I think we're just gonna take off the adhesive. Replacement camera lens using precision tweezers. Okay, here's the difficult part. It doesn't really say what to do with this, but I'm gonna assume it's fine to wipe these. Okay, that went pretty well. Apply light pressure on the camera's lens to attach the camera to the housing. Now, I'll take some photos with it. Should I take a photo of the camera? Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more cool and quality content like this. That's it. Bye bye.